Tesla's 3 heat pump air conditioner is broken. Can the big screen still blow up when the air conditioner is turned on and there is no cold air? In this case, the air conditioner assembly can be repaired without replacing the heat pump. Seriously, Brother Long has repaired so many Teslas that he is a little afraid of dismantling the compressor. Turn off the compression and use the rear end rod to disassemble the socket. This rotor is broken. Clean and repair the compressor. Restore compression and remove the end cap of the heat pump. After turning on the heat pump, use an air conditioner circulation soaking machine to clean it. After touching the heat pipe, you will see that there is a lot of dirt coming out. Disassemble the heat pump. Use ultrasonic cleaning to clean impurities in heat pump aluminum tubes to restore the heat pump system. Put the Daydream back on. After installing the compressor, Tesla hot air conditioner must be pressed down to ensure that there is no leakage in the pipeline, then vacuum it out and finally add cooling coal. Tesla hot air conditioner has been repaired and there is cold wind when turning on the air conditioner. We have all learned so much about Tesla. To be honest, the quality of Tesla is really not bad.